Hi and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at Champagne Supernova. Starts with an Oasis 2. Oasis 2, you fret it on the D string 2nd fret, fret it on the G string 2nd fret, and you leave the B open. And the E as well, the thinnest. So you get this. And then it's an Oasis 2 stroke G, Oasis 2 stroke F sharp, Oasis 2 stroke E. So you get this effect, and the strum is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And then you're going to use your Oasis 2 with a G in it, Oasis 2 with an F sharp in it, and Oasis 2 with an E in it. And you bend out the 3rd fret on the E string as you move back to that Oasis 2 as you go. Sharp to the E, bend it out. Now the F sharp part, you could do it like this. You could put your 1st finger. It's easier to do it with your thumb, but you may find that very difficult to do. And I'm obviously covering the D and the G there with 1 finger, so it makes it a lot simpler if you've got 1 finger on it. But if you want 2 fingers, if you use your 2nd and 3rd finger on the D and G respectively, and use your 1st finger, you do that. But if you use your 1st finger and try and cover the D and G, it just makes life so much easier. Now, it goes around that many times, and then it finally breaks to a G, full G, to an A, to a G, to a D, to an E. E7, take your 3rd finger off, and back you go to the Oasis 2. And then if you want to do the solo, you come all the way up on the G to the 16th, so you go, and you have to bend it, a tone bend which is up to the 18th, you go, you bend it out, 14, and then 16 on the D, back to 14 on the G, back to 16 on the D. And then you hammer on the A string, 14 to 16, and then on the D string, same, 14 to 16, and then play the G on the 14th, so you get this effect. And then you go back to 16, and then you bend this out again, and you go. Now, this last part, you slide from the 16 up to the 18, and then you play the B there on the 17, so and that's all the part up until you sort of get to the end, which he jams the end part. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment in the sections, want me to do anything that you fancy having a look at, and we'll see you next time.